welcome to today's 2-day messy house clean with me. As you can see by these befores, our house was trashed. We had toys out everywhere, tons and tons of laundry that needed to be folded, and in the kitchen we just had boxes and just random items that needed to be tidied up. And on the second day, we're going to go ahead and do some deep cleaning, mop the floors, clean the bathroom, stuff like that. But the reason why our house kind of just got like this was Waverly was playing, and I feel like for the most part, we're pretty good about if you get like one set of toys out, you need to put them away. But for whatever reason, she ended up just getting a whole bunch out. And so the living room was trashed because of that. And then as I was doing laundry, instead of just folding the clothes, I just kept putting them on this couch and just letting them pile up. And most of it was because I just wasn't feeling great this like last week being sick, and so we just kind of were like digging clothes out from the pile as I like clean them, and that's just what it was. And it's okay, we got it under control, we're back on track with our laundry. But we're gonna go ahead and get this living room tidied up. Trajan was on the phone with his boss. This was Sunday night. We had actually just gotten back from Yellowstone National Park. We live like an hour and a half away, so we make day trips there pretty frequently. In the summer we love to go look at the animals, and on this day we had seen a whole bunch of buffalo and a cute little baby bear in a tree, and it was so cute. I love seeing the little bears. But we had gotten home, it was like about 8:30, 9 o'clock I think, and we really needed to have put Waverly down, but I was like, we need to get our week started off on the right note by getting this house tidied up, especially because I had back-to-back appointments, one for Waverly and then one for myself. So we were going to be getting up early, and I knew that it would just make it more chaotic if we started our week off with a disaster house. So while Trajan was on the phone with his boss talking about like their week, what they have going on, I started to clean up, and then he ended up folding socks for me and just getting Waverly ready for bed once we got the living room all cleaned up.
One thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in, and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that. Now I'm catching fire, 'cause you take me higher. You know you're everything that I ever desire. Every crossing borders, no taking orders, and I like it like that. Even I'm broken, watch it right 2 times a day. I took a chance and I was right in every way.
If you have laundry to fold, go ahead, grab that laundry basket and fold along with me. As you can see, you will not be alone. I had so many loads of laundry on this day. I felt like as I kept folding it, it just never ended. The pile just kept going and going. I normally never let like 5 or 6 loads pile up on the couch, but that's just what happened when I'm sick and have a busy week and trying to do lots of stuff. But normally I'll have like maybe 1, maybe 2, like if it's like Waverly's load with it, but never this many, and it took me so long. So I hope you can get motivation from this to tackle your load of laundry, and it probably won't take you near as long as it took me to fold mine. Mine took me forever. But if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Haley, and I'm so happy you're stopping by. On my channel, I love sharing tons of cleaning motivation, mom motivation, and homemaking videos, and I would love to have you subscribe. I am I'll basically be 22 weeks pregnant when you guys are seeing this, which is crazy. Time is literally flying by. But I think my next video is going to be me taking down all of my Easter decorations and kind of just rearranging my decor. I'm ready for a little bit of a change. I'm kind of over the Easter stuff. I've kept it up for the month of April, and I'm ready for something different, so be looking out for that video. And then I really need to get into Waverly's room and declutter in there and spring clean, because I haven't done that yet. So that'll probably be next on my list after I do like my kind of refresh of decorating. And then I also need to go in and declutter my me and my husband's bedroom because I feel like it's getting cramped in there. We need to go through stuff, and I need to kind of just rearrange with clothes that fit me right now and kind of get in a container the clothes that will probably fit me after I have my baby. So I hope you guys are liking today's video and you guys can get tons of motivation. I'm going to go ahead and put these clothes away, vacuum the floors, and then we're going to move on into like the kitchen area. During Target Circle Week, I went ahead and did a pretty big order for Waverly's clothes. I definitely will still have to probably get more shirts and more shorts for her, but I had gone through her previous like year's summer clothes and all of her shirts were too small. She's gotten to have like a pretty long torso, but a lot of her jeans fit her because they have the like little thing in there that you can like adjust the waistband. So a lot of her shorts still fit her, so that's nice. So I probably will only have to get her like a couple more pairs of shorts, so that'll be good. Definitely just trying to get her stocked up on all of her summer clothes. And then I also got her a new pair of sandals, and she loves those. It's not quite warm enough where we can like always wear shorts and sandals, but it is like every once in a while we can, and she loves when she can wear little sandals. So I'm excited about that, but we definitely need to get on to buying baby boy clothes. We have is like I think a set of like 3 onesies, and that's literally it. We haven't done any shopping, and I think it's because I'm slightly overwhelmed with trying to fit everything into this house. We do have like a fairly small house. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, and normally I feel like it would be okay, but our bedrooms are really small and we don't actually have a closet in our bedroom, and so we have to kind of use Waverly's room as our closet for hanging clothes. So we are looking to kind of move and rent somewhere else. We aren't really wanting to buy or anything right now, but definitely just trying to find somewhere to rent, hopefully before the baby gets here. But you never know, if it happens that we haven't found a place yet, we will live here and make it work. We might have to take out some furniture and like just do some rearranging, but I think that's what's making me stressed out about buying baby boy clothes. And I am like want to, but at the same time I'm like, I don't have anywhere to put it. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, so probably need to get on that soon because we have about 4 months. So I don't know, I just haven't been struggling. And also I'm very chatty in today's video. If you guys haven't noticed, I feel like it's because I've only been posting like 1 to 2 times a week, and so then I feel like I haven't been chatting all week, and so now I can't. But hopefully in the month of May I can be better about posting at least 2 times a week. I'm hoping for 3 times, but we'll just kind of see. I'm really just trying to spend so much time with Waverly since it's gonna just be us 2, and then we'll be adding another one. So we'll see. If I end up adding in that 3rd video, we might just stick to 2 a week.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day, night get around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared.
With all of my chatting, I didn't tell you what I was doing, but I got the kitchen all cleaned on the day before, and the dishwasher was full, and it was late enough. I was like, we need to get Waverly down for bed. I'm just going to fill it as full as I can, hand wash the dishes that absolutely need hand washed, and then I'm just going to leave the dishes in the sink, and I'll deal with it tomorrow. So now I'm going to go ahead, clean the counters really quick, and then I'm going to unload the dishwasher and load up the dishwasher, and then we're going to go ahead and sweep and mop those floors.
If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better.
I'm just going ahead and sweeping all these floors, and then I'm going to take my O-Cedar spin mop and go ahead and mop them up. They were in desperate need of a good mop, so it felt so good to kind of break that up. And I'm glad that I spent the time the day before to really get the messy part of the house cleaned, so that way today when I went to tidy, I didn't spend that much time cleaning. I could kind of break it up, and I feel like that's what I really like to do when I'm cleaning, is kind of break apart my weekly deep cleaning that I like to do. Today it happened to be that I just mopped and clean the bathroom on the same day, which is totally fine and is totally manageable, especially when the rest of my house I just had to lightly pick up, like where we were gone the morning. So that was really nice. I'm glad that I was able to get that done. And then here in just a second, we are going to go ahead and deep clean the bathroom. It also really needed a deep clean. So today for cleaning the tub, the toilet, and the sink, I am using my Dawn Power Wash. This is just such an easy and good go-to cleaner for me to use, and I feel like it works really good for cleaning up messes. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean those areas, and then I obviously used Clorox wipes for the outside of the tub, and then my Sprayway for the mirror, and my Jaws bathroom cleaner for the counters. And that's really what I'm using for my cleaners in today's bathroom cleaning. And then I will be sweeping and mopping the floors, and for the mop water I did just use Pine Sol. I feel like that's my favorite floor cleaner that I use. So I'm going to go ahead and get these floors swept and mopped, and then that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys all so much for being here and hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more cleaning motivation, mom motivation, homemaking videos, all those kind of things, I would love to have you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my very next video. Bye!